Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is AlexThomasLifestyle. I'm still trying to get used to that. And yeah, this is my hair tutorial of how I get my messy kind of slick back, which obviously is not happening right a second. Reason being, I've just had a shower. But before we get into it, if I'm new to the screen, like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn the post notifications on. It's a little bell, and then you'll be first to know when I upload a video. So, you guys have requested this, and it is my hair tutorial of how I get obviously the full messy kind of slick back look. So my hair is still a little bit damp, so I might as well just get straight into it because that's exactly how you need it. You need it a little bit damp. Personally, I've just gone with completely clean washed hair, so I've shampooed it and everything today. So guys, the very first thing I use is this Urban Fudge sea salt spray. I personally think it's the best, but well, best budget option. I really like it. It does give you a lot of texture and stuff. It gives you a nice gritty, well, sea salt kind of vibe. For people with wavy hair, I find it enhances the waves a lot, which is a good thing. So my hair's quite thick, so I use quite a few pumps, but now that's in, I kind of just let it sit. If I turn this way quite a lot, because I've got my mirror next to me on my left, I kind of brush it all through into the position of which I will dry the hair, like that. And there are two ways of doing this. I could leave it like this, and just it dries naturally. Put some sunglasses through the hair like that, which I did on holiday quite a lot. This happened, so all my holiday photos always started off like this. Let it dry naturally for a bit. Then I got a hairdryer, put a little bit of the hairdryer in, and then from there, put a bit of my Monarch matte paste in and let it go from there. But for this, I am gonna dry it with a hairdryer, because otherwise it will take too long. First off, I need to find a plug, because I haven't got a plug near me, so I might have to move rooms. Alright then, I've actually had to move rooms because I didn't have a hairdryer, but great, that's lovely, that's exactly what I wanted to happen. So, I've now moved rooms into my mum's room because she's got a hairdryer, I don't. Well, I do, but I don't have any plugs to plug it in. So, what I tend to do is I put it on full blast, medium heat, and I keep the sunglasses in. That is a tip that I will say, is to keep the sunglasses in, because it gives it the more natural waves, and obviously you can see here it's all back in the position I want it. So let's go. Right, it's not fully dry yet, but I thought I'd stop it so I can show you guys what I've got so far. So I've got a bit too much volume in the front. I don't like this much. I think with the slip back I like it a little bit flatter. However, you can kind of see how it's all taking place. It's still a little bit wet at the back, which is the hardest bit to dry my hair because it's so thick. But I've got the waviness coming through, so I'm going to put these back on to keep the front in position. So just push the hair back and slide the sunglasses through like that, and now I can focus on the back, away from the sunglasses, because the front is exactly how I want it. Right, once I've kind of got it to the positioning I want, what I do is, because I've obviously got these little bits hanging down, that's what I want, because I like it messy. So I'll put the heat down. I won't put the heat down. I'll put the blow down. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. So I put the blow down until it's like on, not the lowest, but the medium. So it still has enough power to move my hair around, but not too much. So yeah. Right. So that's kind of what it looks like now, without any product in. There we go. And that is the basis of the hairstyle sorted. So guys, I'm back into my room with the base of the hair sorted. And now I just need to put product in, really. I mean, it is quite puffy, as you can see, but that will be like helped with the product. So I'm using Blue Man's Monarch matte paste. I believe that this is personally, well, this is my favorite one that I use. So not too much. You can always add more, so I put about that much on. Make sure you emulsify it, obviously, and then just run it through the hair. Make sure you get the underside. As you can see here, I've put it all back down that way, but you can see how it's trying to puff back up, because it has got the blow dry, so it's like set in that backward position. So it knows it wants to go back. And then from here, the styling happens. Now, this is where I do a little trick. Okay, so it's pretty much done there, and I could end it here, but this is where I have a little trick. Sea salt spray again. Just lightly cover the hair with it. Right, so I put the sea salt spray in. So now what I would normally do is, obviously I could let it set like that, and it's quite nice. But I like to put my sunglasses in, run it through there, bring the front forward a little bit, let it sit for a couple minutes, because I think that is exactly how I want it to look when I take them off. Just keep running them back, and then move a little bit around, and there we go, I'm done. Hairstyle sorted. So guys, this is it, finished. I really like this. I mean, it's a different hairstyle. I've not done this before. I'll show you the back. So yeah, that's it. And then I can finish off my accessories now, so I don't get stuck on my ring. So guys, I hope you found this really informative, really easy to follow. So if you've got medium to thick wavy hair, or even straight, you could add your own waves if you use a diffuser, then I recommend this hairstyle for you. Personally, what I ask my barber to get cut is I go for a low skin fade normally, so it starts off with no hair here, and then it goes into a 6, so it can still sit quite nicely here and here, and that's why it doesn't fall down during the day. And if it does fall down, you get like little bits like that, but I don't really mind too much. I'm liking the messy style at the moment, mainly because it's summer, even though you probably couldn't tell it's summer here, because, no joke, it's raining in midsummer in England, so yeah. But that's my hairstyle for you, and yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As I said, I'm new to the screen, so click the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video soon. Peace.